Welcome back. I hope you're doing great. As a part of this video, we'll understand test planning in big data testing lifecycle. Planning is one of the important phases of big data testing, where you will go ahead and identify the key components and select the tools and also develop the strategy. Like in the requirements analysis, what you would have done is you would have scanned through the requirement, understood what are the sources and targets, and understood what are the ETL processes. Now, within that, we have to choose the which are the critical components as per the scope of this particular project. Which are the components which requires the testing, such as which data pipeline, where do I need to focus, what are the processing rules, what are the transformation logic that need to be precisely pinned down in test planning phase. And then again, in the requirements, we would know all the components. But here, from the testing perspective, what are the automation tools I have to use? What are the scheduling tools I have to use from the testing perspective? That need to be determined. Once you determine all these things, you have to develop the test strategy. That would involve various things like what is our testing approach in this project? What are the methodologies? What are the metrics we are going to capture and report? And what is the success criteria? What is the entry criteria? All those things need to be captured as a part of the test strategy. And also, you should know whether are you doing the report testing or not. What are the different types of testing you are trying to do? Like, are you doing a functional testing? Are you doing a non-functional testing? Within non-functional testing, are you doing a security testing? So all those types of testing methodologies, metrics need to be pinned down and documented in a document. Thank you.